I'm sure loving you. I want you to come and visit me in Montana. And guess what? This is my grandma. Hello, Claire. Hello, Mark. Oh, Kinley. Hello, everybody. My name is Tex, and you just met Sam I Am. He's my grandson. I sure love you. And I have an itch. And guess what? I want you to come visit me. Be real good to your mom and dad. And I love you guys. You want to meet another friend? Okay. Hey,
Claire! Hey, Mark! Hey, Kinley! It's me, Doc O'Laka! Oh, man, I'm just smelling everything. I'm thinking about you. Hey, you guys be real good and come to Montana to see me someday. Bye, guys.